back to my cross-stitch channel. My name is Leslie and I make videos in Russian and English, and it's all about cross-stitching. Today I'm going to start a new cross-stitch project, and it's going to be a kit, and I haven't actually opened the kit, so I wanted to open the kit and make a overview of the kit before I start cross-stitching it. This is a kit by Magic Needle. This is from Russia. It's a very, very beautiful design. Romantic, reminds me of Belgium. Magic Needle is the maker. It's from Russia. The finished size will be would be 16 by 12 inches. It has 47 colors. And I want to open it together with you right now and see what's in it. So stay tuned. So let's take a look at what's inside. This is the preview, and you've already seen it. So let's look at the floss. This is a floss. This is Russian floss called Gamma. And there are 47 colors. And look at the colors. Beautiful. Like all the colors on the rainbow. It's beautiful. Very, very beautiful colors. Love them. I've never cross-stitched with Russian Gamma floss before, so this is the first time, and I'm gonna be giving you my honest opinion of what they're like. So this is the fabric. This is also fabric by Gamma, Russian floss. Not Russian Aida fabric. This is not Zweigart. This is Russian Aida fabric. This is 14 count, and you have a needle there as well. So it's like a big chunk piece of fabric. And then you have the chart. I'm not going to show you the whole chart because YouTube doesn't like that. But I am going to show you a little bit. This is half cross. And here you have all the symbols. And most of the... You cross stitch in 2 strands. So this is very easy to follow. There are 2 pages and color with a lot of symbols. So this is what it's going to look like. You cross stitch here and cross stitch, half a cross stitch. Maybe there's a couple of blends here as well. I don't know. Well, I'm going to go and start cross stitching this baby. I don't know when I'm going to be finished with this one. I hope 1 month, but I'm not sure. 1 month might not be enough. But I'm going to be reviewing this kit when I'm finished with it, reviewing the fabric, reviewing the floss, and I'll let you know what I think about it. And this is a new manufacturer for me. I've never cross-stitched a kit by Magic Needle before, so this is the first time for me. I will make some update videos on this cross-stitch project, so you can see where I'm at, how much I've achieved. Well, I'm gonna go and start cross-stitching, and I'll see you in my next video. Comment, like, and subscribe, because I've got lots more to come. Hope you have a great day and a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.